Guys, we're here, we are in Osaka, we have reached. So this is the long-awaited Japan vlog that has been postponed for 3 months. I went to Japan with knifey burr, chairs and a bunch of other cool people. Let's get it. And this is what we did in Japan.
Okay, boomer.
Yeah, finally in Japan, holy shit.
I think the kid scared of me.
I think you just scared a kid.
I know.
Hello, so where are we?
大阪城に来ています。大阪城の天守閣があちらです。これからあなたたちは天守閣の一番上まで登りますよ。
Sorry, I do not understand. Madu, what are you wishing for?
Ask me, ask me.
Okay, what are you wishing for?
You.
Now we're at the top of Osaka Castle and the view is like... Oh, wait guys, I just realized that these people are anime guys. Okay, good morning guys. Now it's around 1. We're actually in Kobe now. We went from Osaka to Kobe. Oh no! You died. Oh,
I don't think we'll get anything though.
Oh! 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 Nice. Nice one guys. Yo guys, so we're in the hotel room now. We just reached the hotel. Everybody's outside. And by outside, I mean like... Hi guys! Oh my god. Hey. So guys, this is Kobe. It's very nice. Oh! It's Family Mart, guys! Oh my god. Whoa! Guys, imagine 10 random foreigners come into your local 7-Eleven and just freak out about everything every 5 meters. Yo guys, so that's basically it for day 1. So at this point you can tell my mic broke, and for the rest of the vlog it was broken. So I'm gonna be dubbing most of the vlog, so enjoy my voice. Dude, it's like 10 degrees. It's like 10 degrees. So we first proceeded to a welcoming ceremony by the organization. Oh! Then after we went for lunch, which we had to climb a mountain to just eat beef and more beef, and damn it, I'm so hungry editing this. Okay. Then it started snowing and this was my reaction for seeing snow for the first time. Oh my god, it's the first time I've seen snow, it's amazing. Do you see how like there's white stuff falling everywhere? Okay, that came out wrong. There's snow! There's snow! It's snowing!
So we're now on top of the mountain. It's really, really cold. It's 5 degrees Celsius. It is snowing. It is really, really nice. It's really, really cold.
It's nice, but I'm really cold.
Oh yeah, she's wearing like ripped jeans.
Those kneecaps. Oh yeah.
大丈夫ですか?
大丈夫。
本当に?
Getting better.
Oh, it's Altis! I mean Artis! Altis. Altis.
I feel offended. Last time you called me.
Wait, hold on. Your name's Jerry, right?
Yeah, why?
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I finally know his name.
Can I get S, M, or L?
Oh my god, then we can wait into like the shower. Okay guys, so we have arrived in the new hotel and they give free yukatas, like loan. Hello friends. Hello. Okay guys, we're gonna be catching a seagull today.
It's not focusing on your
Okay, I cannot do this. So remember earlier on in the vlog when I said my mic wasn't working? It's very windy. Yeah, that's my mic.
Welcome back to land. We are gonna regroup right here.
Okay.
So, please join me.
Sure. So we're actually right here just now on the boat, which was actually right here, and now we are actually on land. Yeah, I know. Wave. Hello.
So Josh, how are you? Sick? Oh, you're so black. Okay.
Day 4. Day 4. Day 4. Guys, it's day 4. Okay, magic trick. Okay, everybody.
Correct. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hello, guys. Hello. Whoa.
シンガポール訪日団の方と
One day! So Toka actually gave us 1 hour to explore this entire shopping center ourselves. So yeah, we're gonna explore this place. Woo!
Oh, I got a blue one. I got a shitting one.
Oh my god, you got the shitting one.
Oh, it's a cute one.
Oh my god.
You got the shitting
I
one.
got a shitting one.
And now it's time for a segment called Gacha Review with Nafi Burr.
Hi. wait.
It's a shitting Shiba.
And the fur quality looks pretty good.
For
It's
three-
so
300 yen. It's
I got
pretty
it right.
good. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I did a high school
It's actually anime, guys. Oh my god. So right now we're actually in a Japanese classroom, like one of the anime classrooms. So we're gonna be doing some origami. It's way above my IQ level. Woo! Hello. Yeah, man, girls, dude, anime girls.
I'm into guys.
Oh. Hello. Woo! So what the teachers are actually doing to us is that they are making us mix with the locals. Hello, friends. Nice to meet you. 写真いいですか? Okay. Nice. Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, my name Daisuke. Daisuke. Hey, Daisuke.
So how do you feel?
My name, guys.
Please. Okay.
Paris. Nice. It's your name. Nice curve. Nice curve. Nice curve. Nice curve. Nice curve. Daisuke, my man. We're taking a picture. We're taking a picture in the middle of everybody. Hello, welcome. So this is the end of day 6. There was nothing much that happened after dinner. Now I'm just transferring the files over from the camera to the laptop. I'm also watching some MKBHD. And yeah, this is the end of day 6. So let's move on to day 20. So it's pretty cool, they actually have seat warmers below the seat because it's so freaking cold. Also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday, it's because I had to wear formal, but not right now, it's actually for the next event. Also, I'm wearing a shirt inside, so I'm not that gross, it's actually pretty clean, I never sweat inside. Anyway, Japan's so cold, I'm not even sweating. So where we are now is in a puppet theatre. The Japanese uses these traditional puppets to perform on stage. Konnichiwa. Oh, hello. And the position storytellers on the right to tell the story while the performers are on the center of the stage performing. It's a really cool puppet show and I would have enjoyed it if I could understand Japanese. Ah, it's so cold! Whoa!
Jesus Christ. Let's go.
Arigato. So we have reached the England Park and it's a amusement nature park. So it's mostly just flowers and stuff. Oh no! Caris, you're not allowed! So guys, we were just having lunch and lunch was freaking amazing. This garden looks really good. All the flowers, holy shit, look at the flowers, man. Now I'm entering like, I think it's a gift shop. Holy shit, it's clearly not a gift shop. Where am I? Konnichiwa. I feel like I'm gonna die here, guys.
It has been and still is an important government office building in the history of Awaji. Mythological tales, This building is named the Kumi Museum because it allows people to discover the fascination for the history of the Awaji Island. Let's go in.
Woo! Caris, what the hell?
I didn't realize.
We just realized that she did not take out her apron for eating. What is she doing? Who is this?
It's not me. The floor is unstable.
Yeah. Stay here. So after beating around the bush, in this case England Hill, we made a tin bell out of tin. Tin's a metal. It's nice.
No, it's not beaver.
Is it carbonara?
Yes, it's carbonara.
No, I forgot the name.
Oh my god, it's Iskandar.
Iskandar.
Hello.
Am I going to again?
It's my friend Iskandar. Oh my god, she gave me money. Hi guys, so this is day 36. No, that was yesterday. That was day 47. And we're at the Otsuka Museum. Hi guys.
Hi. We're at the museum. Oi!
Oh my god, you know how much things I have to censor out? Jerry, what do you buy?
I bought the Scream.
You bought the Scream, what's that mean?
And it goes like,
Whoa.
It goes boo!
Oh my god guys, I always wanted to see this. I wanted to always see rice fields in Japan.
yeah, I think I'm gonna
Nafibara, are you nervous?
Yeah. Like, I don't know whether we're gonna win or shit, but like, it's so cool to see how like what the atmosphere is like.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to day 174. Right now is the last day in Awaji. It's so sad. This is a very sad day guys. I'm crying. So yeah, we'll be heading off to Osaka now and we will be on our way. Day 174.
Like SOA, there's one shot where it's like that. Like the sun is like
SAO.
SAO, yeah.
Oh my god, they're so small. God, it's so cute. Oh my god, these are so cute. Vending machines. Size reference. Oh my god. Wait. Naifiba is 1.5 by the way.
Yeah, man.
Naifiba, do you like anime?
Yeah.
Oh. So in total, how much shopping do we do?
0!
0! Okay guys, she's gonna show you how to do the fish. Oh my god. So it was the last night we went to the supermarket to get some souvenirs.
Hey!
Oh my god, what's wrong?
Your mother gay, bro.
Oh my god. We went back, we did souvenir review. Got some souvenirs, omiyage. And we weren't satisfied, so we went back again at 1 AM. Hello guys. This is 12 AM Adventures in Japan. Literally wearing slippers.
Oh, yes! Oh.
It's a game changer guys, say hello.
Hello!
Guys, we're buying the game changers. Freaking Crocs, but with fur. Bro, it's freaking cold. I don't know how you're doing it, but like, my shorts and slippers not holding up, guys. Originally, I had plans for the vlog to just end in the morning, you know, cinematic, and then some music. Maybe I'm home. Yeah, I'm home. But I lost my phone.
Write a paper for you.
Yeah.
はい、長い方です。
じゃあ10時で。
10時で。これだとどこに
Thank you so much for having us. Sayonara. We're back. No, shut up. I don't want to be back. I want to go back in Japan. So that's basically it for the vlog. I'm trying a new style of editing. So do like this video if you liked it. For the rest of this video, I'm going to leave you all with the B-roll I shot. It's pretty amazing and breathtaking. And with that said, I'll see y'all in another video. Enjoy.